Hi everyone, it's Allycat Castle. Happy Valentine's Day! Today I'm so excited because we will be unboxing the Boxycharm Base Beauty Box. Yes, and as you all know, the Base Beauty the Base Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription from Boxycharm for $25. So without further ado, let's open this beauty. Yeah, so excited! And here she is! Look at that! And this month's theme is Boxycharm XOXO! And just for fun, let's see what XOXO mean, right? So, I actually went to Google and I searched this on Wikipedia and it says, Hugs and kisses, abbreviated in North America as XO or XOXO, is an informal term used for expressing sincerity, faith, love, or good friendship at the end of a written letter, email, or text message. That's so cute. Oh my god, and I love this. Now, without further ado, let's start with the first product. And the first product is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. Yes, and let's find her. Where is she? And here she is! And it says in here, the Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And the suggested retail price of this is $38.99. So let's open her. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god, are these my flowers for Valentine's Day? And then this one is actually cruelty-free and it's made in PRC, People's Republic of China. Now let's open this baby. Oh my gosh. And here she is. Look at that. Look how beautiful. So bold in colors. I believe these are some of her Valentine colors. And just so you know, now I have a new thing here on Allycat Castle on our channel where I will be doing individual product reviews every week so we can really give so much love and attention to the features and benefits of each product. So look forward to that. So now the second product is... Oh! Oh my gosh, there you go. Valentine's Day, right? So much energy. And there you go. Now, the next one is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Yes, and it says in here, a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. Oh my gosh, I need that. I'm 41 years old. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit. By the way, what's a yuzu fruit? If you know it, please write it down in the comment section below so I can be educated what the yuzu fruit is, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. Wow, 3 times more! And the suggested retail price of this is $29. Oh my gosh, and this one is, let's see, it's made in Korea! Yes! And look how nice it says in here. Make every day a Saturday! And let's open this beauty. And here she is! Look at that! It comes in this beautiful matte plastic packaging. And it also says the direction in here, apply after your moisturizer, leave on overnight, maybe use 3 to 5 times a week. Yes, looking forward to using this. And now, the next product after that is the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek, which is this baby. And it says in here, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. And the suggested retail price of this is $22. And this one is, let's see, made in Taiwan. There you go. And let's open this baby. Yes. Oh my gosh. Is everyone having a great Valentine's? Oh my gosh, here she is. And I believe that this is the tinted balm, the one on top. And let's see the second layer. And then the second one is this baby. And wow, it has a little cute mirror right there as well. So the next product after this Wonder Beauty is the Glamiere Pink Lux Glitter Eye Brush Collection. I believe this is this baby. Yes, and it says in here, Glamiere is a glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. And the suggested retail price of this is $29.95 and it's considered a new launch. Here we go. Let's open this baby. There you go. A little bit of ASMR. This actually makes me feel Valentine's in this package. Look how pretty she is. Now let's open her. Oh, the 4 sisters are here. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Do you see that? It actually has hearts. Oh my gosh, that moves as well. And I believe you get 4 brushes. Of course, it says 4 brushes, right? I'm so silly. So it comes with the eye blending brush, which is this baby. So soft. The next one is an angle liner brush, which is this baby, again super soft. And then there's another brush, which is this. I believe this one you can actually use this as a smudge brush, or you can also use this to clean up right underneath the brow with a concealer. And the other one is a flat eyeshadow brush. Look at that, it's so cute. Super excited to use this as well. And since it's synthetic, that means it's not really gonna shed. And now, the last product in this set is the St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. Where is she? Here she is. Oh my god, St. Lux. And this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with a little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. Oh my gosh, see, they gave a tip right here. And the suggested retail price of this is $40 and it's considered a new launch as well. And now let's see. It also says in here that it's cruelty-free and it's made in China. And now let's open this baby. Oh my gosh. Oh, here she is. Look at that. I actually love the packaging. Oh my gosh. One is called Secret Admirer. Oh my gosh, in time for Valentine's. And the other one is Love Letter. Oh my gosh, so sweet, right? I hope someone will actually write me love letters, right? From a secret admirer. I'm just kidding. So the other one I believe is a beautiful chocolate brown. Look at that, so cute. And then the other one is look at that, kind of like a brownish pink. There you go. So I'm looking forward to this when we do our individual makeup or individual product reviews. So now let's do a summary of what we got. Let's do a wrap. So the first one is we got the Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette, which is this baby right here. And then we got the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask, which is this baby. And then we got the Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek, which is this. And we also got the Glamiere Pink Lux Glitter Eye Brush Collection. And we got the St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. So for these 5 items, actually with the exceptional of the 4 brushes, everything is valued at $159.94. Yes, and I only paid $25. So, what's my verdict on this? This is a winner! Yes, this is a winner because I'm looking forward to using the eyeshadow palette, and I'm also looking forward to using the mask and the eye brushes as well with the hearts. So, if I may say, if you enjoy this, I hope that you can please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe on our channel. And so you can see more product reviews and more makeup tutorials. And again, this is Allycat saying, Happy Valentine's Day! And let's all be kind and let's all be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. Again, my name is Allycat. Happy Valentine's Day and I love you! Yes!